Looking for the best vegetable chopper on Amazon? In this video, we'll show you 5 amazing vegetable choppers that can save you time, reduce prep work, and make cooking easier. All product links are in the description below. Now let's get started with number 1. Number 1 is the Fullstar Pro Original Vegetable Chopper, an all-in-one kitchen tool designed to make meal preparation faster, easier, and more convenient. Whether you're chopping onions, dicing tomatoes, slicing cucumbers, or spiralizing zucchini, this versatile chopper helps you prepare ingredients in just seconds. One of its biggest advantages is the interchangeable stainless steel blades, allowing you to create different cutting styles for a wide variety of fruits and vegetables. From small cubes to larger dices and even spiral cuts, it's perfect for salads, stir-fries, soups, and everyday cooking. The built-in food container catches everything as you chop, keeping your countertop clean and reducing mess. Its strong stainless steel blades deliver clean, precise cuts while helping save time and effort compared to chopping with a knife. The compact design makes it easy to store, and the removable parts are simple to clean after use. It's an excellent choice for busy families, home cooks, or anyone who wants to speed up food preparation without sacrificing results. If you're looking for a versatile vegetable chopper that combines chopping, slicing, dicing, and spiralizing in one compact tool, the Fullstar Pro Original Vegetable Chopper is an outstanding choice and easily earns the number 1 spot. Number 2 is the Pro All-in-One Vegetable Chopper with 8 interchangeable blades, a powerful kitchen tool that helps you prepare meals faster while giving you complete control over how your ingredients are cut. Whether you're chopping onions, slicing cucumbers, dicing tomatoes, shredding carrots, or cutting potatoes, this versatile chopper can handle a wide variety of everyday kitchen tasks. The 8 stainless steel blades allow you to create different sizes and styles of cuts, making it perfect for salads, soups, stir-fries, and meal prep. The sturdy lever design applies extra pressure, helping you cut through vegetables quickly and with less effort. A large, built-in food container catches everything as you chop, keeping your kitchen clean and reducing mess on your countertop. The durable stainless steel construction is built for long-lasting performance, while the non-slip base provides added stability during use. Switching between blades is quick and simple, and the included cleaning accessories make washing up much easier after cooking. Its compact design also makes it easy to store when not in use. If you want a versatile vegetable chopper that combines multiple cutting functions, durable construction, and convenient everyday performance, this Pro All-in-One Vegetable Chopper is a fantastic addition to any kitchen and is definitely worth considering. Number 3 is the Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Electric Vegetable Chopper, a compact and powerful kitchen appliance that makes everyday food preparation quick and effortless. Equipped with a 350-watt motor, it easily chops onions, garlic, herbs, nuts, vegetables, and many other ingredients in just seconds. Its unique stack and press design makes it incredibly easy to use. Simply place your ingredients inside, put the lid on, and press down to start chopping. There are no complicated buttons or settings, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced home cooks. The 3-cup capacity is ideal for preparing fresh salsa, salads, sauces, dips, and meal prep without taking up much space on your countertop. The durable stainless steel blades deliver fast, even chopping for consistent results every time. When you're finished, the removable bowl, lid, and blades are easy to clean, helping you spend less time washing up and more time enjoying your meals. Its compact size also makes storage simple. If you're looking for a reliable electric vegetable chopper that's easy to use, saves time, and delivers consistent results, the Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Chopper is a practical choice that deserves a place in any kitchen. Number 4 is the VEVOR Commercial Vegetable Chopper, a heavy-duty food prep tool built for fast and efficient slicing and dicing. Made from durable stainless steel, it's ideal for cutting potatoes, onions, carrots, cucumbers, and many other vegetables with professional results. The sturdy lever handle makes chopping quick and effortless, while the 4 interchangeable blades let you create different sizes of fries, cubes, and slices for a variety of recipes. Its stable, non-slip base helps keep the chopper secure during use, making it suitable for both home kitchens and commercial environments. If you need a durable vegetable chopper that delivers fast, consistent cuts and saves valuable preparation time, the VEVOR Commercial Vegetable Chopper is a dependable choice that's built to handle the job. Number 5 is the Onceforall upgrade-safe mandolin slicer, a versatile kitchen tool designed for fast, precise slicing and chopping. Its adjustable blade system lets you choose different cutting thicknesses, making it easy to prepare vegetables exactly the way you want. From cucumbers and carrots to onions, potatoes, and lemons, this slicer handles a wide variety of ingredients with ease. The built-in safety design helps keep your hands protected while slicing, and the compact design makes it easy to use and store. Whether you're preparing salads, homemade fries, or healthy meal prep, this mandolin slicer helps save both time and effort. If you're looking for a safe, adjustable, and easy-to-use vegetable slicer for everyday cooking, the Onceforall mandolin slicer is a smart addition to any kitchen. That wraps up our top 5 best vegetable choppers on Amazon. Whether you're looking for a compact chopper, a powerful electric model, or a versatile all-in-one slicer, there's a great option here for every kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Amazon product reviews and kitchen gadget recommendations. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.